Hello parents, welcome to Back to School Night. My name is Mrs. Kelsey and I teach chemistry at Mains. My phone number and email addresses are on the screen. I will respond to your emails or phone calls as quickly as possible. I typically check the Outlook email more frequently than the Gmail, but both of them work. The online platform we're going to use for this course is Google Classroom. Your students are already enrolled and using it. They're very familiar with the process. They will use the Meet link up at the top to join our class daily at the beginning of each block. They will find information about assignments, requirements, any information they need to know will be posted there. Parent Portal. I will update Parent Portal as frequently as possible. If something is not entered, that means simply I'm just not finished grading it yet. If something is blank, that means I started entering grades, but I did not finish. They will probably be finished by the end of the day. Pattern of coursework. I always suggest that your students read and take notes on the chapter before we get started. The note-taking method I recommend would be Cornell Notes. Your students will also watch screencast videos similar to this of me explaining the various sections in each chapter. They can watch those videos as many times as they find helpful. I have some suggested homework assignments. There are section reviews and chapter review questions in the textbook. I recommend that your students complete them to practice and prepare for assessments and to check their own comprehension. The reason they are suggested and not assigned is the answers are all readily available on the internet. In-class activities, we will perform labs, we will review and practice, we will go over any of those video assignments that your students are watching from home, in addition to problem solving. Tests and quizzes, assessments will typically be on a Google form. Your students will take them both in person and at home. What are we learning? Lab safety, characteristics of matter, measurements and calculations, atomic structure, nuclear chemistry, periodicity, chemical bonding, chemical nomenclature, chemical reactions, and stoichiometry. We're going to be very busy. Don't ever hesitate to reach out if you have questions or concerns. Thank you and have a nice night.